Okay folks, we're going to try and test this theory out so that you can pick up the direct energy weapons attacks, the microwave attacks with a bit of tin foil. You can actually hear the popping sound it makes when it bounces off of it. Now, let's try it. Bit of tin foil, wave it about, see? Oh wait a minute, that pop sound. Oh, you can even see it. My god, it must be true. Can you hear the pitter patter sound? Now, obviously, microwaves, you can't hear them bouncing off a tin foil. It's total nonsense, right? Now, what was I doing? All I was doing was stretching the tin foil. See? Now, obviously, if you're under fear and all that, you know, like white knuckles, and you sat there in panic and fear through all the psychological torture and that, you might be grabbing all of it, holding it taut and tight. See? There it pops up. See? I can do it on demand now. So all it is, you're just stretching the tin foil. This is another one of these things that's basically a false positive. This is just reinforcing misinformation and disinformation, and it needs to stop. People need to stop doing this. You know what I mean? It's quite. We've got EMF detectors. We can detect how much the stuff is now. They don't use a lot of energy, which is just total nonsense. Look at the documentation. It tells you that. You know. Anyway, hope this stops this nonsense from getting propagated around. Thanks.